Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3 long range. It has a rear wheel drive. I love the badging on this one. You also have painted alloy wheels, red calipers, then you have carbon fiber accents as well. You have that panoramic glass roof. Go ahead and take it for a tour. You have that Tesla black vegan leather. Again, there are your carbon fiber accents, the doors, and then the dash. Go ahead and give you a shot of that VIN. Okay. All right, this has carbon fiber as well. These are your infotainment and autopilot toggles. We're gonna go ahead and turn that music down. Come over here, see that I have heated seat on, but in order to do that, all you have to do is come down here and you can turn heated seats on or off. Okay. Also, you see that you have a massive surface area for your GPS. Coming over here to your quick controls. We've got your lights on right now. We'll just turn them to auto. Then you got your locks, your display, driving, your autopilot to show that it has auto steer and navigate on autopilot, so it is full self-drive, traffic light and stop control, beta, fantastic. All the bells and whistles. These are your navigation, then your safety and security, your service, and your software. This is a very important screen because it has not only your VIN, but it has your mileage, 20,329. Shows it's a long range, and then here's your additional information. Shows it has a premium audio system. Autopilot computer, full self-driving computer, and the HomeLink 5 garage door opener is installed. Okay, we can come in here and we can look at the backup camera and your energy usage map, your charging, your World Wide Web, and then your entertainment, arcade, theater, and then your toy box. So, a whole lot of fun. If you just want to listen to the radio, you can pop it on up. And I actually love this interface. It doesn't get any easier than this. And so, at any rate, you come down here, you got your phone charging station and your additional stowage here in the glove compartment. And you got your cup holders, other glove compartment, and your key. All right, that about wraps it up for this little Model 3. Now, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here right in that front center. And the airbag did not deploy. There's no structural damage. So we were able to get it all fixed up, and it has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.